Hi, I'm Ted from Everything Attachments, and we're today with the Uniform brand of chipper or shredder. This is a pretty unique unit because it will work on tractors down as low as 20 horsepower, but it'll cut things up to 4.5 inches in diameter. And the way it does that is because it has a 140-pound solid steel flywheel in here that's been computer balanced. So when you stick that really big load in there, for the first little bit, the flywheel here is doing as much or more of the work as your tractor is. So with this big flywheel in there, it also has an overriding clutch here. So the power can come from your tractor into the shredder or chipper, but the power of this flywheel cannot go back into your tractor and cause problems or anything. So it is built with a overriding clutch built into it. It is quick attach acceptable. You can use the quick attach. It has a couple different adjustments here so you're able to keep it level when you're going up and down. It has an easily adjustable chute here with a knob on the side so you can adjust how far your chippings are going or if you're putting them in a trailer or something. Has a real easy adjustment here with a grease fitting on turning this to whatever angle that you would like. You can unloosen the knob all the way and completely remove this to cut down on your height. Turn me on around just a little bit, Kevin. It has a really big belt in here that's going to drive the shredding unit. Come on around, Kevin. So inside here is your flywheel, and then inside here is all of your cutter assemblies. It has 4 cutter blades that just allow, when you're cutting big stuff, it only allows so much to be cut at a time, giving you a really good fine mulch instead of just something that's chunking it up and trying to spit it back up. These particular type of blades keep everything trimming more like a knife instead of what's called a hammer mill, which is what the small little 5 horsepower things are going to use, like you would buy at a Lowe's or a Home Depot or something. And most of the time you end up holding on to your wood, trying to shove it down in there while it's vibrating, and you better have a good pair of gloves. Now you shouldn't need that with this. This has a really long, tall hopper on it here, and it has enough angle on it that you should be able to place your debris in here and it self-feeds itself. With this type of blade in it, instead of a hammer mill, it's not going to be causing near the vibration as it would be. So this, turn me on around, Kevin. And you're not really going to be able to, you'll see this in the steel shot pictures, you're not going to see this in this video, but it has a nice big rubber mat here to keep flying debris from coming back out and hitting you while you're loading it, but you should be wearing safety glasses. And then when you're through using it on gas shocks, it has a hinge here that fully closes up just to keep it where your safety for this being closed and to make it a little more compact. So between folding this up and taking off the chute, it's going to make it easier for you to store. Now, a lot of people call when they want a $1,000 chipper or something like that, and I just simply don't sell them because they work you harder than you work it. This is a piece of equipment you could buy, use it commercially, and it's meant to do the work for you instead of you doing the work. So at Everything Attachments, we sell only the high quality attachments that we stand good for and that we feel good about sending long distance and not having warranty problems. This is one of them. If you'll give us a call or an email, we'll make sure that you're getting this for the right application and that your tractor's for a good fit for this. So just give us a call or an email at Everything Attachments and we'll be happy to help you.